In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste a table in Notion. By the end, you'll be able to take an existing table and move it to any page you want without losing your data or formatting, using simple keyboard shortcuts and a couple of quick checks to keep everything tidy. First, open Notion in your browser or desktop app and sign in so you can access your workspace. Make sure you're on a stable connection, especially if your table has lots of rows or attachments. You can follow along on Windows or Mac. I'll mention both shortcut keys so you can use whichever applies to you. If you prefer, right-click menus work too. Next, navigate to the page that contains the table you want to copy. Find the table on the page and select the entire thing, not just a single cell. The easiest way is to hover near the top left edge of the table until you see the block handle with 6 dots. Then click to select the whole database block. You should see a blue outline around the table when it's fully selected. If you only highlight individual cells, you'll copy just those cells, not the entire table structure. Once the whole table is selected, press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac to copy. If you prefer the mouse, right-click the selected table and choose Copy. Now move to the page where you want the table to live. This can be anywhere in your workspace, another project page, a notes page, or even a new page you've just created. Click to place your cursor where you want the table to appear. Then paste using Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. Notion will bring over the database block, including its columns, data, and most view settings. Give it a moment if the table is large. You'll see it appear exactly where your cursor was placed. If the pasted table doesn't look right, double-check that you selected the entire database block before copying. If you need the table in a different spot on the destination page, just drag the block by its 6-dot handle to reposition it. You can also rename the pasted table to keep things organized and avoid confusion with the original. That's it, you're done. You've successfully copied and pasted a table in Notion. If you make a mistake, use Ctrl+Z or Command+Z to undo. With this approach, you can quickly duplicate tables across pages to reuse templates, maintain consistency, and speed up your workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Notion.